Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be cooking Egg Benedict for the first time alone. So all the ingredients are going to be in the description box, make sure to check it out. So I'm following Jamie Oliver's recipe to make the hollandaise sauce, and it calls for adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to 2 egg yolks and mixing them really well and really quickly in order to prevent the eggs from separating. The egg yolks should be of creamy consistency after a couple of minutes of mixing. So in the meanwhile, I filled the saucepan halfway with water and brought it to a gentle simmer. I put a pan on top and made sure that the pan does not touch the water so the eggs don't cook. I added the eggs to the butter very gradually while still whisking and mixing constantly. All this to make sure that the eggs don't separate. For a creamier consistency, I added some butter, but if the eggs get too thick, you can add some water. I covered the hollandaise sauce and put it aside and prepared 1 egg for poaching. I filled the saucepan about 2/3 of water and brought it to a gentle simmer. I added a tablespoon of vinegar, I heard that the easiest method to poach an egg is by creating a vortex, but of course some people prefer another method if you're using more than 1 or 2 eggs. I covered the poached egg for it to cook. While the egg was cooking, I cut my toast into a circular shape using a ring mold, but you can use anything circular that you have. Just make sure it's big enough to hold your egg. I did the same thing to the roast beef. I removed the egg after about 3 to 5 minutes of cooking for it to be runny and soft. After adding the egg on top of the roast beef and toast, I added the hollandaise sauce on top. So I guess you can call this a success. This was my first time cooking Egg Benedict alone, and honestly, taste-wise, it was really worth it, even though the process is a little bit complicated, but I guess with time and practice, you can get used to it. I hope you try this out. Thank you for watching. Bye!